Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. We are discussing about 10th standard English medium social science, in that sociology. Unit number 2, continued part of labor. In the previous session, we get the information about concept of division of labor, the meaning of labor and the inequality in employment as well as labor. Let's come to in this session we are going to get the more information, the continued part of labor. So the concept of with pay and without pay labor. In that we are going to get labor without pay. If work is done without payment, either in cash or in kind, then it is called as labor without pay. For their work, nothing is pay out. Such works are called labor without compensation. Often, labor becomes an activity without any monetary benefit or material benefit. With free of cost, laborers are providing the work. Laborers are providing employment. Laborers are providing job. So, if pay less work, the worker cannot be compensated for his work. This work often happens within the family due to love, by status, out of self-motivation, or by force. So, these are when and how labor without pay is going to be happen. Another example is that of students taking part in the activities of Scouts and Guides or NCC as part of their schooling. Sometimes students are also assigned to participate work as a part of their coursework. During this time, the students are paid, like IIT and nursing courses can be considered as examples. Another example can be that of artist who engages himself in painting for his own satisfaction. So these are the best examples for labor without pay. The family based work is most often found work without pay category. In family setup, burden of work is more on the part of women. The issue of women working in the family without pay compensation is more discussed within the framework of feminism. Since women are found bound by work at home, they are discouraged from finding work outside for compensation. This has made women the unpaid workers in the family. Though the women participate in the various works of family, her contribution goes unorganized. And nowadays, it is being said that the work of women in the family is declared as more important. By declaring so, the women are being restricted to family and family related works only. So these are all some of the incidents, examples for the labor without pay. So let's come to the concept we are going to get, labor with pay. The labor which gets compensation based on hours, days or months for semi-skilled or skilled work is considered as labor with pay. This is called as wages. Even the total pay that is given based on the total work is called as wages. Wages are given based on hours, days, weeks or month. when sometimes labor in small business and roadside business, work in factories, work in schools as assistant teachers, building work, vehicle repair, garages, agricultural farm workers can be grouped under labor with pay, that is wages. Though the compensation is meager, it becomes inevitable for the people to work in this complex social scenario. In the most of the cases of workers would not get expected wages also. Compensation is an agreement between the worker and the owner. Sometimes the compensation can be in the form of materials. In traditional societies, person had a customary and hereditary profession. Hence, people were dependent on each other in a given social environment. The money was in least circulation. Harmony and coexistence among various castes was desirable. Even the barter system was more popular in village setup. In most of cases, the physical labor was compensated with material and food grains. With the increase in uses of money, the practice of providing monetary compensation for labor also grew. So this is about the concept of labor with pay and labor without pay. I hope you have understood the concept of these two important aspects. In case of if you are having any doubts related to this concept, that's it about today's session. In case of if you are having any doubts till now what we are discussed, you can comment in the comment box. I will solve your doubts. And I will come back with the next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.